Hey there. Are you looking to completely remove Laravel from your system? Whether you're cleaning up your setup or moving on to other projects, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to uninstall Laravel, clear dependencies, and free up space on your machine. Stick around and let's get started. To completely uninstall Laravel from your system, let's start by checking if it's installed. First, open your CMD and verify the Laravel version in your setup. Once confirmed, run the command to remove the Laravel installer from your global composer packages. This will completely uninstall Laravel from your machine and clean up your setup. After completely uninstall Laravel, check if Laravel is still installed by running command. That's it! Laravel is now completely uninstalled. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.